Spend a little fall day with me.
I already got out of the shower, so now let's do skincare and makeup. So me and my whole family planned like this whole little fall day, and I'm just so excited. It's gonna be so sick of me now that I have the 0.5 camera. Like, I'm gonna post so many vlogs. Guys, today I straightened my hair for the first time by myself. I know that's embarrassing, but I'm proud of myself. Okay guys, so I'm walking into Starbucks right now and I'm gonna get my pumpkin chai. Okay guys, so that Starbucks is actually closed, so we're heading to a new one. Okay guys, so we're decorating for fall right now. Okay guys, so here are my fall pillows and blankets, but they desperately need a wash. Okay, now that that's in the wash, unfortunately it's time to get rid of all my pink summers though. And these are some of the other fall things I'm gonna decorate with. These pink pillows, they all gotta go. I'm also gonna pull out my white comfort. My white bedding is in my guest bedroom, and it is a full-size bedding. We're just gonna tuck it in because I have a twin. But guys, trust me, getting a twin bed was like the best decision ever. I have so much more room in my room now. But anyways, me and my sister are headed to Target because I wanted a few more fall decorations for my room.
Because you never ever played really cheap one, but I might.
Okay guys, so we just got out of Target. So from Target, I just got a bunch of like little pumpkin decorations, but I also got popsicle sticks because we're doing caramel apples later tonight. Okay guys, this one lights up. That's so cute. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm gonna put these. I don't even know why I got them. Look. And we're also watching a fall movie tonight, so I'm gonna go get in the shower right now.
Do you want, we can split it with my mom?
Okay guys, so those are the caramel apples that me and my family made. And anyways, I'm heading to bed, so I love you guys so much. Bye.